I've asked you several times who you are and why you're knocking at my door. You don't have an answer? Hello? Isn't it something? What time is it? 2:30 in the morning. Keep tapping at my door and won't say nothing. These things have lost their mind. Listen to him. Hello? Really? Well, I'm going to post this. You know these things are on something all the time. 2:30 in the morning. And won't say a thing. Even if they was knocking next door, they hear me talking. Keep tapping at my door. What the hell do you want? You heard me asking you, who are you? Why are you knocking at my door?
I was trying to get some,
I don't have nothing to do with drugs. Don't knock on my... I don't want your cigarettes.
Oh, no,
Bye. You see that? You see that? He heard me calling him. Just gonna keep tapping at my door. You know the police and that parole office is behind this. All right, guys, I'm gonna post this.